Today we watching all construction vehicles videos and their information. Excavator. An excavator is a heavy-duty machine with a bucket on the front and a rotating platform, known as the house, on top of tracks or wheels. It is used for digging trenches, foundations, and holes, as well as handling materials and demolishing structures. Bulldozer. A bulldozer is a powerful machine equipped with a large metal blade on the front. It is primarily used for pushing and leveling earth, rocks, and debris. Bulldozers are commonly used in land clearing, road construction, and mining operations. Crane. Cranes are used for lifting and moving heavy objects and materials. They consist of a long, telescopic boom or a lattice structure attached to a rotating base. Cranes are commonly used in construction sites, ports, and industrial settings. Backhoe loader. A backhoe loader, also known as a loader backhoe or simply backhoe, is a versatile machine that combines the capabilities of a loader and an excavator. It has a loader bucket on the front and a backhoe attachment on the rear. Backhoe loaders are used for digging, trenching, loading, and material handling. Tower crane. Tower cranes are tall, fixed cranes that are often seen on construction sites. They have a vertical mast or tower and a jib arm with a counterweight at the opposite end. Tower cranes are used for lifting heavy loads to great heights on construction projects. Dump truck. Dump trucks are large trucks with an open bed for transporting loose materials, such as sand, gravel, or demolition debris. The bed can be tilted to dump the load at the desired location. Dump trucks are commonly used in construction, mining, and waste management operations. Paver. Pavers, also known as asphalt or concrete pavers, are used in road construction to lay and smooth asphalt or concrete surfaces. They spread and compact the material to create a flat and even road or pavement. Roller. Rollers are heavy machines used for compacting soil, asphalt, or concrete surfaces. They come in different types, such as vibratory rollers and smooth drum rollers, and are used to ensure proper compaction and smoothness of roads, parking lots, and other surfaces. Grader. A grader, also known as a motor grader, is a machine used for grading and leveling surfaces. It has a long blade that can be adjusted to different angles and positions. Graders are commonly used in road construction and maintenance to create smooth and even surfaces. Concrete mixer. Concrete mixers are machines used for mixing cement, sand, water, and aggregates to produce concrete. They come in various sizes and configurations, including portable mixers used at smaller construction sites and larger stationary mixers at concrete batching plants.